In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change CapCut language back to English. If your CapCut app on PC suddenly switched to a language you don't recognize, don't worry. You can get back to English using a simple blind navigation trick that relies on where things are on the screen, not on what they say. I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along even if every label looks unfamiliar. Start from wherever you are in CapCut. If you're inside a project, that's perfectly fine. Move your attention to the very top left corner of the CapCut window. You're looking for the menu area in that corner. Click it once. A drop-down list will appear directly below. Now, without trying to read anything, count straight down to the fifth option from the top. Take your time and count line by line. When you reach the fifth option, click it. That's the Global Settings panel. A settings box will pop up in the center of your screen. Along the very top edge of that box, you'll see a horizontal row of tabs. Again, don't worry about what they say. You're going to click the fourth tab in that row, which is the one all the way on the right. That tab opens the hidden language menu. Inside this language menu, you'll see a list of available languages. Scroll to the very top of the list and select English. Once you've highlighted English, look to the bottom right corner of the settings box for a bright blue solid button. This is your Save or Confirm button. Click that blue button. Right after that, a small confirmation prompt will pop up. It also has a blue button. Click the blue button one more time to allow CapCut to automatically restart. Give it a moment to close and reopen. When it comes back, your entire interface will be fully restored in English. If anything doesn't change right away, wait a few seconds for the restart to complete. The key here is trusting the positions. Top left menu, fifth item down for global settings, far right tab for language, English at the top of the list, and the blue button in the bottom right to save, then blue again to restart. That's the whole process. A quick, reliable blind navigation fallback to get your language settings running perfectly, even if you can't read a single word on screen. You're all set. Done.